Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Ivana Brooke. I don't know about y'all, when I get a silk press or just straighten my hair in general, I have all these ideas. I want to do all the hairstyles. I save them on Pinterest and then I never do them because I'm just so excited that my hair is straight. So I thought I'd put together a video of my favorites. I feel like these are a little Y2K inspired, but they're just hairstyles that I like and go with the clothes that I wear and the things that I wear. So just keep on watching. This first one is really easy, but it adds a little bit of polish to your look. I like to get my part a little off to the side and it doesn't have to be too deep, but just part your hair. And then you want to separate the front from the back and just put it up. It doesn't have to be perfect, just get it out of the way. And then with a brush, I'm going to do this obviously without gel. Depending on how uniform your hair is, you might need gel, you might not. Bobby pin behind my ear, just like that. And then I do the same to the other side. Awesome. And then once it's secure, I'm going to wet the rest of my hair down. And then I'm going to zhuzh it just a little bit. I'm going to smooth those down, and then I'll do my edges right near my ear, just so it looks really polished and pretty. And then the same on the other side, smooth it down. I'm just using a little bit of, this is from Kristen S. It's actually mostly coconut oil and castor oil, but I like it because it doesn't revert my hair. And I can easily put in dry shampoo night or whenever, and it'll just go back to being normal. But it might make your hair a little like piecey. That's okay. Better than it being completely gelled. I like this look. I think it's super simple, but it just adds a little something. And then if you like barrettes, you can also do barrettes or gems or whatever you want to do. It's just a simple, easy one that keeps your hair out of your face. Especially, this is good if you have been using gel in the front of your hair for like a few days and you're just like, oh, the rest of my hair is fine, I'm not ready to wash it. It's perfect in between. So it just looks really sleek and pretty. And it's also a really good hairstyle if you're taking selfies that day, because I feel like sometimes the hair can be very overwhelming and it's always best to just have your hair out of your face when you're taking selfies because you just look a little more snatched. So this is hairstyle number 1. Alright, for this next one, I'm just starting with a basic middle part and I'm gonna separate my bangs out. So really front pieces, so I do like a little triangle with my fingers and just pull them out. And then in the back, I'm just gonna take just enough so that I have a good amount of hair down, and then I just start brushing it up because we're gonna do a pigtail bun situation. So I'm gonna try and get this nice and smooth and just separate it and where I want it to sit on my head, which is pretty much right there. And it doesn't have to be super tight because we are going to twist the hair. So put a finger out, I start twisting, and then I grab a bobby pin and I pin it. Personally, I like a really spiky look, so I like to keep a lot of my hair out, and then I want some of it to come down to give that look. I don't know. It just reminds me of Nicki Minaj. That's just what I like. And then I do the same on the other side. I feel like I have too much hair, so sometimes if I feel like I have too much hair, I'll go in the middle of it and pull it down so that I still am getting the look that I want in the front, but I don't have two completely different ponytails. I want them to have let some hair come out. And this is the second hairstyle. Really cute. I love this with a certain type of dress. I feel like it's just really pretty. It looks interesting. It's not too much in your face, and it looks like you put a lot of effort in when honestly it's like so easy. And it's also one that's like, you don't have to curl the ends of your hair, you don't have to do too much, you really can just twist it up and go, and it just looks like Barbie vibes. Also, if I were going out, I would add more extensions in the back, so it's a really easy one to add clip-ins to and make the whole look really elevated. So this is number 2. The next two are buns. I'm a huge fan of a bun, especially when you're getting down to it. So I'm gonna just take out the first little front two and smooth my hair back. This is gonna be kind of a slow, like a medium bun. Like not too high on the head. Like you don't really want to see anything from the, You don't really want to see it from the top, you want to see it from the sides, if that makes sense. So you don't want to make it too high on your head. You just split the ponytail and then just start to knot it, just like you're tying a regular knot. And then do it again. And then if you need to do it again, do it again. One more time. Because right now, from the front, I always check this is too much hang time. I want less. So do it one more time. And then, so I have the pieces that I want. This is what I want. I want it to look like that. Then I go in with my bobby pins and just start pinning where I want it to be held. And usually that's where your fingers are. And this one usually doesn't need tons and tons of bobby pins. Sometimes I do get a rogue hair. And then you just want to split it so that it's spiky and pretty. And just play with it. Because it's pretty loosely knotted, you can usually pull at it too if you want certain pieces to be longer or just look a certain way. So it gives you a lot of freedom. And then I have one random piece that just didn't make it, so I'm just gonna tuck it. Just tuck it in and pin it up. And that's the look. Look, no it's not. That's the look. Just spiky, cute. This is gonna look good with a high neck dress or bigger earrings because it just is up, but it's also really flirty and cute. I love this one, and it's a lot easier than it looks because you literally just put it in a ponytail, knot it, and then do whatever you want with the rest of the pieces that are out. And definitely a good one for like an over the shoulder. Not me being like, and you're gonna take your pictures like this, and you're gonna wear this. Bossy. This one, you might just have to watch it over and over. I don't know what else to tell you, but this one also starts with just a ponytail in the back. I like it actually pretty low for this one. I just like the way that looks. I'm gonna try and get my bangs back there, but if not, no big deal. Make a low ponytail, and you want to tie it pretty much until you, like your last one. And so you want to twist a bun, start twisting it. Around your fingers, pull through the rest into a mini bun, and then keep your weave out. And then from here, because, well, personally my hair is a little too clean right now, it's not going to stick like that, so I'm going to have to bobby pin it to get it to stay, and then fan out the rest. And then I clean up like the front of my hair and just see how I want it and adjust it, because I would want to fan a little more like that. So I just pin my bun so that it stays up like that. And then for the rest of my hair, I'm gonna bobby pin down my bangs so they look, everything just looks a little more sleek. See, so it's just a little more sleek and uniform and pretty. Look, I think it's really cute, really sleek. This is something I would wear with maybe something that's off the shoulder, and just wanted to bring more interest and asymmetry to a look, because I feel like sometimes if your outfit's boring, your hair shouldn't be. And the back just looks really cool because it just looks like a knot and has a little bit of texture. But these are my current favorite hairstyles, especially as a girl who loves, I love a silk press, but my hair can't hold the curls. So I tend to have pretty spiky ends, so it just works out a little better when the hairstyles that I do favor that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, don't forget to leave it a like. If you like me, don't forget to subscribe. If you want to see more of me, you can always check me out on my Instagram and my TikTok at yvannagilliam. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.